this. Yeah, roughly about 1 large cups of water. All right. Yeah, 1 large cups of water. And this one is a very, very powerful recipe, guys. Yep. All right, so we got lemon right here into the water. And this is lime. Green apple. One cinnamon stick into the water. Some cinnamon powder. All right. If you got some fresh mint, you can put some fresh mint into the water also. We're going to put a few cloves into the water. You don't have to, but the cloves do works really effective. Yeah. Yeah, the cloves is very, very powerful, guys. If you are looking for something to use in any pharmacy of cooking, weight loss, the cloves is amazing. All right. Then we're gonna get our secret, which is the ginger. All right. So we'll put some ginger in it also. All right, lovely. And this is one where you want to drink like first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. You want to drink this one. That's the best time to drink it. So we're just gonna make it come to a boil. And after the boil, as you can see. So the green apple is amazing inside of it, guys. All right, yeah. As you can see, that's the green apple and all the bits and pieces. But yes, it is lovely, and I know you guys definitely will love this one. All right. Yeah. Takes a little bit of time, but it will get there. But this is a recipe you want to drink like first thing in the morning, guys, honestly. Yeah. Amazing. Beautiful and simple recipe. What I put in it, we got lime and lemon, green apple, ginger, cinnamon sticks, cinnamon powder, and cloves. All right, you want to cook all of these ingredients together. All right. Also, you can do it as a detoxing drink for during the day if you like to. If Rosemary, big up yourself. All right. If you want to detox the body, this is a very powerful drink also. And remember, cinnamon do help promote the weight loss also. So it's a very powerful drink, which I would encourage you guys to drink at home. All right. Yeah, man. Something different. How to make a powder juice by adding good and quick. Don't know seed. Okay, I may have to do one for you on that one. Yeah, this is early morning cup of tea. All right, very powerful. Ah, that smell amazing. It's a cinnamon in it. Cinnamon is beautiful and nice. What is this? If you like to lose some weight and detox the body, then this one is for you in this morning. All right, something different. That looking so amazing. This looks so amazing. Look at that. So it's coming to a boil. All right. Turn off the cooker. See that? All right. See that? Yeah. It's just the green apple make it look like a lot, because normally one person would just eat a green apple. Here's just a big up yourself. All right. So yeah. All right. So you can see one green apple, couple slices of lime and lemon, and some ginger and some cinnamon. Now you want to drink this first thing in the morning. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take it off the stove. All right. Yeah, so this one, very good for detoxing the body and weight loss. I'm telling you, it's something totally very powerful and very effective if you are looking for something for weight loss and detoxing. All right, then I will encourage you another very powerful recipe right here. Excellent. So what we're going to do is, first, before we go any further, remember to get yourself a copy of my brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose. All right, Chef Ricardo, Secret Recipes to Success. All right, yeah. Getting yourself a copy and support the progress, guys. Now we're going to pour it off. All right. Yeah, let's pour off this on an amazing cup of tea this morning. Let's get my honey. All right. So this is how it look. We're going to pour it off. All right. We're not gonna strain it. We're just gonna just simple pour it off naturally, as it is right here. All right. By simple getting all of that flavor out of it. Then let's put a teaspoon of honey. You know, give it a mix. So you want to drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. Get back your cinnamon stick into it. All right, lemon and lime. All right, so you can see. All right, some more apple and cloves. Enjoy the recipe. Drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. 100% effective, as you guys can see. All right, yeah man, very, very powerful and natural recipe from Chef Ricardo today, as you can see, and a normal recipe. All right, yeah man, and all of those ingredients is right in your kitchen.